friends. Today we are going to discuss about noise pollution. What is noise pollution? Unwanted and unpleasant sound. Release of unwanted sound in atmosphere is known as noise pollution. Noise pollution is a common problem in modern life and it represents a serious threat to out quality of life. Noise is measured in decibel. Decibel is a basic unit of sound. Hearing loss begins to 80 to 90 decibel. A loss level of 180 decibel could kill a person. Next, sources of noise pollution. Industrial sources. Progress in technology has resulted in creating noise pollution. Textile mills, printing presses, engineering establishment and metal works etc. contribute heavily towards noise pollution. Next, transportation vehicles like train, buses, bike etc. create the noise pollution. Household. The household is an industry in itself and is a source of many indoors noise such as the hanging of doors, noise of playing children, crying of infants, moving of furniture, TV sets, etc. Public address system. The reason may be a religious function, birth, death, marriage, election, or just commercial advertising, etc., creating the noise pollution. Agricultural machine, tractors, threshers, harvesters, tube well, etc., have all made agriculture highly mechanical but at the same time by highly noise. Next, effect of noise pollution. Noise is generally harmful and serious health hazardous. Noise causes serious damage to wildlife also. The animal may lose their hearing, experiences increased heart rate, loss of ability to reproduce, etc. There are some noise effect on human beings. First, physical effect. Hearing ability decreases, vision ability, color perception, heart problems, etc. Physiological. Headache, heartbeat fast, muscular strain, nervous breakdown, etc. Psychological. Depression, stress, irritation, emotional disturbance, etc. Next, there are some control on noise pollution. More number of trees should be planted. There should be silence zone around residential areas, hospital and educational institutions. Heavy vehicles and all vehicles should not be allowed in the polluted areas. Proper oiling of old machinery reduce noise. Silence can be reduce noise pollution. Soundproof chambers should be installed, etc. Next, air pollution. Any quantitative as well as qualitative changes in normal composition of air which is injurious to human, plants, animals or properties. Definition. The Indian air gives the following definition for air pollutants and air pollution. Air pollutants means any solid, liquid, or gaseous substance present in the atmosphere in such concentration as may be or tend to be injurious to humans being or other living creatures or plants or property or environment. Next, air pollution means the presence of any air pollutant in the atmosphere. Sources of air pollution. Air pollutants can be either natural or may be the result of various human activities such as domestic, industrial, and agricultural. Natural sources: pollen grains, fungal spores, salt sprays, bacteria, smoke and dust particles from forest fire, volcanic eruption, wind blows dust. Next, classification of air pollution according to origin: primary pollution, Secondary pollution. Primary pollutants. Those pollutants that are emitted directly from the sources and are found in the atmosphere in the form in which they were emitted are called primary pollutant. Example of primary pollutant are sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide, hydrocarbon, ash, smoke, dust, mist, furnace spray, radioactive compound, etc. Secondary pollutant. Those pollutants that are formed in atmosphere by chemical interaction between primary pollutants and atmosphere constituent are called secondary pollutant. These are usually formed by a photochemical reaction or by hydrolysis or oxidation reaction in the atmosphere. Example of secondary pollutant are ozone, sulfur dioxide, PAN, ketones, etc. Adverse effect on human health. Mainly due to rapid industrialization or automobile revolution, such as high concentration of the pollutant are discharged into the atmosphere that it is beyond the self-cleaning capacity of the environment to nullify their effect. As a result, air pollutants adversely affect the health of human animals, damage plants and property. Effect of pollutant. Soot, lead particles from exhaust, asbestos, fly ash, volcanic emission, pesticide, S2SO4 mist, metallic dust, cotton and cement dust, etc. when inhaled by men cause respiratory diseases such as tuberculosis. The greatest health hazardous is constituted by trace element particulates such as cadmium, nickel and mercury, lead affect hemoglobin formation. Next, harmful for aquatic life. Effect on material like Taj Mahal. Global warming, greenhouse gases increases, aesthetic air, beauty loss. Control, plantation, nuclear explosion and war stopped, sustainable mobility, modification of process or equipments alteration. Thank you.